Welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you look at the premium camera landscape right now, a massive shift is happening behind the scenes. For years, full-frame systems have dominated the commercial space, leaving APS-C crop sensors as the choice for lightweight enthusiasts. But a series of highly credible retailer listings and supply chain leaks indicate that Fujifilm is about to challenge that entire hierarchy. The upcoming Fujifilm X-T6 is no longer just a rumored concept. It has actively surfaced in global registration systems, pointing toward an official launch. If you are currently saving up thousands of dollars to transition to a heavy full-frame body or contemplating an upgrade to the existing X-T5, you should pause and look closely at what is coming. The technical framework emerging for this new flagship changes the value proposition of the entire X-series lineup. The core alteration lies in the foundational imaging architecture. According to verified regulatory filings and production manifests, the X-T6 will introduce a 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 6HR BSI sensor. While the resolution matches the current generation, the underlying structure is a partially stacked design. In standard sensors, data routes through processing paths around the pixels, which limits the physical readout speed. A partially stacked configuration integrates data handling layers directly beneath the light-gathering pixel array. This allows the camera to clear sensor data at a speed that significantly diminishes rolling shutter distortion, a historic bottleneck for high-resolution crop sensors. Paired alongside the unannounced X Processor 6, this computing backbone unlocks professional performance levels previously locked behind massive full-frame price points. This sensor acceleration directly alters the videography capabilities of the classic XT chassis. For the first time in this specific body style, the leaks reveal internal 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. This is not a simple cropped or upscaled resolution, it utilizes the massive sensor width to deliver full 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth directly to the internal storage. For production environments requiring immense flexibility in color grading, the firmware fully implements F-Log2, capturing more stops of dynamic range than traditional profiles. Furthermore, professional workflows are fully supported with the inclusion of 12-bit ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW output over the full-sized HDMI port. This means solo cinematographers and production houses can integrate the X-T6 as a primary A camera on professional sets without sacrificing data fidelity. To manage the high data rates of 8K ProRes and rapid continuous bursts, Fujifilm has redesigned the physical card layout. The dual SD card array of the past is being modified. The X-T6 leaks confirm a hybrid configuration consisting of one ultra-fast CFexpress Type B slot alongside a standard UHS-2 SD slot. This deliberate inclusion serves two crucial purposes. First, it completely prevents the buffer clearing bottlenecks that plague current high-resolution bodies during sports or wildlife shoots. Second, it allows professional videographers to write massive data pipelines safely without overheating or dropped frames. This hardware choice signals that Fujifilm views this platform as a true commercial production tool, rather than a casual hybrid body. Of course, processing power means very little if the camera cannot hit focus. The X Processor 6 brings a complete overhaul to the autofocus architecture through a dedicated deep learning AI system. The upcoming model leverages a revised 500-point phase detection array with advanced human skeletal recognition. Traditional systems look for eyes and faces, meaning tracking drops completely the moment a subject turns away or is obscured by foreground objects. This new deep learning engine maps human body proportions and joints in real time, keeping the focus locked securely on the subject even when they are moving erratically through complex environments. The tracking algorithms have been trained extensively on specialized tracking data for vehicles, animals, and fast-moving athletes, allowing the camera to anticipate motion paths accurately rather than simply reacting to them. For commercial studio work, architectural documentation, and fine art landscapes, the X-T6 builds upon sensor shift technology with a massive 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By utilizing an upgraded in-body image stabilization matrix that now achieves up to 8.5 stops of compensation, the camera moves the physical sensor by precise microsteps between consecutive frames. The internal software then compiles these images to create a file with extreme spatial resolution and absolute color accuracy, as each pixel location samples red, green, and blue light independently. This system completely eradicates color moire and false color artifacts, providing specialized commercial photographers with medium format levels of detail without the associated hardware costs. However, the hardware change generating the most intense debate across creative communities centers on the physical screen layout. Fujifilm is shifting away from the traditional three-way tilting LCD screen loved by purist still photographers. The supply chain leaks confirm that the X-T6 features a fully articulating, 360-degree flip-out touchscreen panel. While this design shift initially drew criticism from traditional street photographers who prefer keeping the screen aligned perfectly with the optical axis, the operational reality makes sense for a true modern hybrid system. A fully articulating monitor allows low-angle vertical shooting, overhead framing, and effortless solo video monitoring. To appease the high-end user base, the display panel itself has been upgraded to a sharp 1.84 million dot resolution, ensuring accurate focus evaluation and exposure monitoring in bright daylight conditions. Looking at the broader ecosystem, Fujifilm is treating this launch as a comprehensive platform upgrade. Production logs indicate that two brand new X-mount companion lenses will debut simultaneously with the camera body. While exact focal lengths remain under strict embargo, industry trends indicate a substantial redesign of legacy high-end glass. The premier candidate is an updated iteration of the classic 16 to 55mm f2.8 zoom lens. The original variant, while optically excellent, lacks internal stabilization and carries substantial weight. A modernized version with reduced weight, updated linear motors to track the new AI autofocus system, and complete weather sealing will serve as the ideal pairing to demonstrate the full potential of the new partially stacked sensor. Financially, this advanced feature set repositions the camera within the global market. Given the structural cost of integrating a partially stacked sensor in CFexpress architecture, the upcoming body is projected to launch within a premium price bracket of $2,200 to $2,400. This positions it directly against entry-level full-frame bodies from competitors like Sony and Canon. However, when you factor in the lower cost, lighter weight, and extreme sharpness of high-end APS-C lenses, the total system cost remains vastly more economical for working professionals who prioritize agility without compromising output quality. The official production timeline points toward a global announcement window in September. Factory registrations have already been finalized, meaning the internal hardware configurations are locked and assembly lines are actively preparing global inventory. This deliberate release strategy places the camera at the absolute center of the fall creative season. Fujifilm has engineered a machine that directly addresses the real-world bottlenecks of modern creators. By bridging the gap between high-speed sensor readout and legendary color science, they are forcing the entire camera industry to rethink the true limitations of the APS-C format. If you want to stay completely ahead of the curve as more official details emerge, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.